Hey guys, welcome back. DeFi, degens, drip, and farm for poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all Forex Shark related projects. And in today's video, going to be giving you a sneak peek at some clips from the new UI. We should be getting that on Monday, but those of us that are in the DAO, not myself, but those that are in the REAP DAO, they have already seen it and they're supposedly testing it right now, and some clips have been leaked, so I want to share that. Before we get into that, want to take a look at the charts. I don't do this very often, but we're seeing a little kind of a mini rally here. We're sitting at 775 on the native DEX. I don't know how long this will sustain, but it is pretty cool to see. And on the BUSD pair, we're actually coming up a little bit as well. We got all the way up on BUSD up to 725 back after no sell August. So during no sell August, we were riding pretty high, close to the eights for that whole month. And then we had that 120K sell off, and then we pumped back up to 725, and now we're sitting right under 7 at 699. And I was just seeing a lot of decent sized buys come in. I've got this filtered over $500 just to see. And I heard I think this day on the 13th or whatever, there was like $1 million or so. But the reason I'm bringing this up is because this ties into the REAP DAO and the information that those guys get. So if you listen to any of the people that are in the REAP DAO or people that are close to it, you'll hear that there's a lot of capital in there. Ray from Bartertown mentioned this. There's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines, that a lot of capital waiting to get into the animal farm. And I think what we've been seeing is that they have been steadily accumulating positions. And then with this new announcement for them being able to preview the UI, I think that just caused a bullish sentiment for them on the inside because they know what's coming. So the reason they're called whales, if you're not familiar in crypto or in trading, these are the big fish in the ocean, and you want to swim with the whales because they have the ability to change the current and they know where to go, and they obviously eat the most, right? So if you want to make money in crypto and in traditional, they say, follow the whales. And clearly they're not letting this drip price dip too far. We've gotten to below the sevens, but it's jumped back up. So it's been trading sideways between like the $6 to $8 range for quite some time. You go back to August, we were at 7. Even if you go back here, actually, before that, way back in early August, yeah, we pumped up to 10. But still, if you go into July, you can just call this a range of $6 to $10 since early July. Like, that is crazy. We'll go back to 10. Yeah, so 10 was around here, 15 of June. So from 15 of June, yeah, that's still a 50% correction, don't get me wrong, but that buys you a hell of a lot of drips. So from the beginning of June all the way to end of July, we dropped down, and then we've been between that range. So from 10 to $5. That's definitely a 50% range, but when you're talking drip and the ability to get 1% daily, then I wouldn't call that too volatile. Traditional markets, yeah, it would be, but in drip, that's not too bad since you're able to accumulate that 1% per day. Just a quick message. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That does help the channel as well as help bring brand awareness to all Forex Shark related projects. Thanks. Let's take a look at the images. So I want to first pull this up. This might be Duke, or was it Dude? I can't remember. Forex mentioned Pikachu, and I want to say it was Dude. And Dude was an Irish wolfhound and something else mix. And this is another image. So this is really, really good. This is fascinating. The skills that Forex acquired, this kind of Da Vinci kind of design. This could be Dude, we don't know. And then this new one I haven't seen before either. So this was thrown out there. It looks like it's drip and some sort of kind of like Fibonacci sequence and things of that nature. Very, very, very cool drawings. So all these will be featured somewhere on the site. I don't know if he's hiding some code in here or not, but it looks really, really awesome. Then you have the pigs one. Let me zoom back out here. You already saw the pigs. That's the old one. And then we have this video. So it was really, really small. Gonna let it play here, then I'll zoom in and show it a little better. And they did it really fast because obviously they probably weren't supposed to be sharing any of this footage. But let's take a look at this. All right, here it is a little more blown up. So I'm gonna pause it. Let's go back. So this is the, looks like the home page at the top. And he's got some videos here. Can't really make out what that is. That looks like Polygon, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. So maybe this is the like follow channels or something like that. He mentioned there will be a video that's kind of explaining things. So that's probably what this one is in the beginning. Then it's showing some links out to external sites. So you can go to BSC scan, DAP radar. I'm guessing this goes to Binance.com maybe or .net, not sure. And then DAP radar and Medium posts. And let's unpause, go a little further. Then we scroll up. There looks like to be some information about the animal farm in general, maybe what it is, how it operates, a little history. Then another link to say launch the app. Then we got latest market news and insights. So this can be maybe recent articles on like Cointelegraph or Coin. I forgot there's a couple other ones, but external facing articles, he mentioned that. So this is good because it allows for SEO, and especially if these are articles maybe from BSC News that reflect back. So that gives us some, what do you call it? Not brand awareness, but trust in the social proofing is what they call it in marketing, social proofing. Scroll up some more. Then we have another video. I don't know what this one is going to play, and I can't read any of this, but looks like, again, cool to see the theming of the animal farm in the background. Then he's got the testimonials here. So not sure who that would be. Then we've got the audits, Certec, Hacking, and something Shield. I forgot who they were. Paladin and Shield, maybe? I don't know. And then the partners down at the bottom here. So Binance, DAP radar, BSC scan. I think maybe that's Chainlink, and that one's DAP radar. It's hard to read this, obviously. Medium, Beefy Finance, Wobi Wallet, Tranches. I don't know them. I don't know these either. Investing something. Crypto or something like that. So yeah, a lot of stuff has gone into this, and maybe this talks about the referrals and stuff like that, or who knows. But it's really cool to see this design. Definitely a step, in my opinion, in the right direction. This makes it look a hell of a lot cleaner. Didn't get to see the menu up top to find out like how this is going to face out or be pushed to other parts of the ecosystem. So this looks like just the home page, but very cool. Looking forward to that. So in theory, we, the non-REAP DAO members, will be able to see this website on Monday. So just want to share that bit of alpha with you guys. It's been floating around the chat. You may or may not have seen it, but if not, you saw it here first. So I am extremely excited about this. I have a feeling once this takes off and we move forward, definitely when the marketing kicks in, because right now the internal community has been able to hold the line with drip, and we are not seeing this what we saw back at the end of July, and we're now 2 months later, almost. Come next week it'll be 2 months. So logically, there's no reason that this could dip any lower, even with the recent flush out we had from Bitcoin and the pump, and then now it's back. So the only thing that I think could bring that down would be if this flush they're talking about is still coming. But by the time, if and when that comes, another 50% drawdown in the macro market, I think we will have enough utility and marketing to weather the storm, even with BNB, if it does, take a hit. So this is really, really prime time, really smart for Forex, the way he designed this and put this together, and kind of the timing worked out, I think, in our favor. that we'll have a successful launch. Everything should go forward. And the dogs crediting, I hear everything's gotten resolved with that. So those of you that were having experienced issues with the dogs crediting, all of that should be good to go for those included now. So let's yeah, keep pushing forward and looking forward to next week. So this will be exciting. All right, please like and subscribe if you found any valuable content in this video. And as always, guys, lift daily and achieve your impossible.